Today's video, we're talking about acting advice for 2023. What can you do? How to put yourself in the best position? Maybe you're just starting out, maybe you kind of dabbled in it a little bit, and you're just not quite sure what to do to help kind of guide you and put you on the right path. So this video is going to be super simple. I'm going to be giving you all 3 points, and without further ado, let's get into it. So point number 1 is you want to go and practice your acting every single day. Acting is no different like anything else. You can get better at acting as long as you go and practice it every single day, but that does also require you practicing the right way. If you practice the wrong way every single day, you're not going to have improvement, and this is what people kind of mix up on. They think just because they go and practice their acting, they will improve. And it is true as long as you go and practice the right way, like it is for anything. A basketball player can't just go out to the court every single day and throw the ball at the bottom of the pole. He has to go and throw it in the net, or attempt to, and he has to work in that direction. And if he doesn't, well, then he's just practicing the wrong way, and then he won't have the improvement that he or she is looking for. So what you want to do is practice your acting every single day. How can you go and do that? Well, on this channel we have a whole playlist of what you can do every single day to go and practice your acting. We even have ones where we tell you how long to go and practice your acting, how to go and do it, and we get into the nitty-gritty details of it. We've also created ways for you to go and try and create your own practice routines to go and work on for yourself. And also, if you want to go and take your acting training to the next level for yourself, we also have our 10-hour acting masterclass, our 2.0 version that you can learn online for the comfort of your own home, anywhere, at any time, at your own personalized and designed pace. So really, there's a lot of different forms and methods for you to go and practice your acting. So all you have to go and do is literally go and spend the time and practice it every single day if you're really committed to this and you're really wanting to go improve as an actor. Point number 2 is to watch good acting. We do learn by osmosis. So if we watch a lot of bad actors, we're gonna go and pick up on some of their nuances and some of the traits that they have, compared to if we watch a lot of really good actors, or the actors that we would call great or aspire to be like. So you're probably wondering, okay, well, which movies can I go and watch to find these great actors? Because there's millions of movies out there in the whole world. Which ones do I choose? The best and easiest way for you to go and do this, is to go and streamline this process, is to just literally go and find movies that have been nominated for Oscars for Best Picture. Because typically, more often than not, they have great acting, but it's not just great acting, it's great cinematography, it's great sound, it's great lighting, it's great, everything is working perfect within those films. So if you want to have the best bet possible, go on and watch Oscar nominated movies, because you'll find great acting along with it. And again, we learn through osmosis. This has been proven time and time again, so use this as a benefit to help yourself. Point number 3 for our acting advice 2023 is to realize throughout this year that the eyes are the gateway into the soul. The eyes tell a story. This is why when we're watching a TV show or watching a movie and we get a close-up on the eyes, it's telling us a story about who this character is, what's happening, what's going on in their life, in the situation that they're in now, from the beginning of the movie, in the middle of the movie, and at the end of the movie, because the eyes let us into the characters and they help reveal what's actually going on. And it's super effective when it comes on the camera, because that's what's really being focused on 90% of the time. So just remember, throughout this year, as you're working on your acting and you're focusing on your craft, remember always that the eyes are the gateway into the soul. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys all subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with everything. If you're interested in our 10-hour acting masterclass or 2.0 version, that's going to be down in the description down below, and also in the comment section if you're interested in that. See you all next time. Bye-bye.